Same thing. The same thing. What did you do that wrong? See the difference? You're too far away and you're going too fast.
Too far.
Try again.
But after this one,
Well, just don't touch that. It's going to get too hot. Let's go. Closer. You got to get closer. Get closer. Get closer. Closer. Not faster. Go closer.
Go. I'm going too fast.
Well, you just barely started. Go ahead.
Oh, shoot, it burned me.
It burned you? Let's see what it looks like. Oh, it went fast again. Hold on. Hold on, let me see what it's doing. I got it there.
That's too long.
Got it?
Let me see. Oh, I need to do one part. That looks good.
No, you missed it.
No, I missed that part. Try to get right. Here's a good spot.
There you go. Yeah, like you got it. Let's go to the next one. Get the next one.
Alright, next one is right here. Next one is...
Okay, yeah, do that
Next
one.
one is right here.
Yeah, that's fine. Do that one. Good job.
Alright.
Oh, you missed it. You still got to get some more there. There you go. There you got it. You got it there. A little bit. Yeah, you missed it. Got to go a little higher.
Like, I go like right here.
Yeah.
Hey.
Still missed it. Got to get the other side, the other corner.
I gotta get like about right here. Right here, right, Kai?
Here, let's get you right there. All right, that should get it.
That kind of
Yeah, that got it. That got most of it. Remember, we're gonna just pop it. Okay, now try that one.
Wanna try this?
Yeah. Let's see.
This is it.
There you go. Good job. Turn it the other way. Turn it the other way. As you're turning up your gun, just turn it the other way and move it like that, so it fits. All right. A little bit more. All right, that gets it. Pop it one time to let it go. All right, good job.